नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू ओनली एग्जाम अप टू डेट चैनल। हियर इट्स डॉक्टर अंकित फ्रॉम VCRI Namakkal. Today I am going to discuss about how to register and log in, as counseling will start from today only. So first step will be new candidate registration and sign in. So you have to go on VCI e-counseling website and you have to do new candidate registration. Okay, this page have two facilities: having sign in for registered candidate if you are already registered, so for you sign in page, and new candidate registration and forget password facilities will be there. Next, you see, after registration, as the candidate will apply for application form, the instruction page will be shown. I have already made one video for instruction page. You can see, I will put in I button. Then submit registration form. So on public home page, a link will be resided named as new candidate registration. So by clicking on that link, registration form will be shown to the candidate. So you see, a new candidate registration option will be there. You have to click there. Then fill on line registration form. Then you have to fill. So you have to correctly fill your roll number, name, application number, mother name, date of birth, and result from result rank data, or you have result need result on whatever data is mentioned and what they are asking. You have to fill correctly, and you have to set one strong password to complete the remaining steps. Okay, so after successful registration, if you want for subsequent login, you have to enter your roll number and then password. So you have to remember your password. Now see, review field registration form. It means after complete registration, you have to verify all your details, either it's correct or something mismatched, for final submission. Then one confirmation email will come. After successful registration, a confirmation email for registration will be sent to the candidate. So you have to verify, okay, now I have filled correctly or I have done all these things. Sending confirmation SMS for registration. After successful registration, confirmation SMS for registration will be sent. So in every step you are seeing, confirmation SMS will be coming. What SMS will contain? It contains your roll number and the candidate to complete remaining steps of application form. Now forget password option is there. As you all know, sometimes we have forget password, so you have to update your mobile number and as well as email address. So here two types of reset password option will be there. See, one via using OTP via SMS and using reset link via registered email. You all know these all process. Okay, subsequent login, like you have applied, now you want to check whether which college, or like you have to change the sequence of college, then where I have to go. So for that subsequent login, you have to directly log in with your roll number as well as login ID, as login ID means, and choose password as password. So two options will be there, one roll number or as login ID will be there. So you have to respective roll number and password. Candidates should remember to log out. So you have to log out because sometimes unauthorized persons may modify your choice, like you first choose Tanwas or Hisar or Anand, whatever you choose. Sometimes it can be modified by some unauthorized person. So to avoid that, you have to log out. Candidates are advised not to disclose, you all know this, don't share password. Okay, if a candidate forget his or her password, I already told, he or she can use mobile number or email ID provided by the candidates. Okay, now see, candidates home page, what it's written. After successful login, system will automatically redirect to a candidate's home page. Okay, if you have successfully login, I have already told, so you will be directed to your home page. Now candidates are advised not to disclose. Okay, same things are there. Complete registration process. Application form will be shown to the candidates to complete the registration process. So form will be in multi-step. Okay, so you have to keep all these documents with you: qualification details, personal details, contact details, images or documents, whatever they are asking. Okay, roll number, candidate's name. So all these things should be filled in a right way. Review application form, already I told, you have to verify your documents or all the informations before final submission. Submit application form. Candidate has to verify enter data carefully and has to click save and final submit button. Candidates cannot change the data after final submit. So be careful before final submission. You have to check twice, thrice so that there is no any subsequences. Okay. Registered fee payment. So you have to pay fees online. As you all know, options will be there: credit card, debit card, net banking, etc. to pay the registration fee. And regarding that, you have to apply all these things. And for how to choose colleges and all other things, I will be making subsequent videos. Stay tuned, share with your friends. If you are new to this channel, subscribe. Thanks.